Hello everyone, welcome back. And today I'm gonna show you how to fix recycle bin missing from your Windows homepage. So here you can see my recycle bin is not showing here, and in this video I'll show you how to fix it. So let's begin. So firstly you just need to right click on your mouse and then go to personalize at the last option, and now you need to go on themes, and at the right side there have an option desktop icon settings. Select it, and here you can see recycle bin, mark it, and then OK. Now go to your home page, and here you can see your recycle bin is showing here. So guys, in this way you can fix this problem.